Hi, welcome back to my channel Glow Up Skin. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I will share with you makeup with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera can be used in many ways, be it a mask or facial, massage or cream. Using aloe vera in any way gives amazing benefits. Aloe vera makes makeup easier for us in the following ways. Lip gloss. To prepare natural lip gloss with aloe vera, take aloe vera gel, add food color to the gel, mix well, and apply on your lips. Aloe vera and base. If your skin is very dry due to which the base does not set well on the face, add a little aloe vera gel and a few drops of any good oil in the base. Now mix them all well and apply on the face. The foundation will stay on your face for a long time. Makeup fixer. Many problems are also faced after applying makeup. These problems include seasonal effects and irritation problems. Aloe vera gel is very helpful in preventing these problems. Aloe vera gel is also used as a makeup fixer. Mix aloe vera gel with water and witch hazel. Mix. Put this mixture in a spray bottle. Apply on the face after applying makeup. Makeup remover. To use aloe vera gel as a makeup remover, add water and olive oil to it and mix it well. It is an excellent natural makeup remover. Mix coconut oil, glycerin, and honey in aloe vera gel. Mix all these ingredients well and use this mixture as a makeup remover. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share video. Thanks for watching.